Hi, my name is Amy Brown and I recently developed the Makerspace at Jackson Road Elementary. I want to give you some tips for getting started with your own Makerspace. First, start with what you have. We had several grandmothers who wanted to donate yarn and knitting supplies and they came and showed students how to get started on some knitting projects. Then we of course had several students anticipating a Lego station. So, we simply asked parents if they had any Legos they could donate. And wow, what a response we got! Within 2 weeks we had enough Legos that we couldn't put them all out at once. We have to rotate Legos in and out of the Lego station. Then we also had several grants where we were able to purchase some technology including Makey-Makeys and circuits. These became technology stations. Then we also have arts and crafts where students can go and create.